Hello guys, this is Mohammed Rafiq with you. In this video, we are talking about another emergency update for Windows 11 25H2, this time on the main release of Windows 11. So if you have normal installation of Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2, you will receive this emergency update, which fixes the critical issue inside Windows 11. And of course, in this video, we're going to talk about what you need to expect related to this new emergency update. So, the build that Microsoft has released is the build 262.000.8246 for version 25H2 and 26100.8246 for version 24H2. As I have said, were KB5083769. Without further delay, let's begin the video. First of all, if you want to receive this update, click on Start menu, then click on Settings. Here, click on Windows Update. Here, make sure that you check Get the latest updates as soon as they are available. Here, you can see that latest update 2026-04 Security Update KB5083769 installed and need to restart to get it effect. For you, if it's not showing, click on Check for Updates to receive the update. Then click on Download and Install to install. Once the installation is completed, click on Restart Now to restart computer. Computer is restarted now. Now let's see the update history. Here you can see that the update 2026-04 Security Update KB5083769 is installed successfully. After installing the April 2026 update, Windows 11 25H2 advances to build 262.000.8246, while version 24H2 jumps to 26100.8246. You can verify whether you're running the April 2026 update in Settings/System/About. Under OS Build, if your build number is below build 262.000.8246, it means it's not on the April 2026 update. As far as I know, this is not an optional update or an update that need to install manually, because on my main computer I haven't even checked for updates manually, and I have received that update, so everyone should be getting it. Now, of course, this cumulative update for Windows 11 version 25H2 and 24H2, KB5083769, includes the latest security fixes and improvements, along with non-security updates from last month's optional preview release. Now, let's check what all the new features and improvements that rolled out with this update. Windows 11 April 2026 update new features are rolling out gradually, so everything listed below won't show up after the update. Nobody knows how long it takes for new features to show up on Windows 11, as the entire process is based on Microsoft's A/B testing called CFR, which stands for Controlled Feature Rollout. First, Smart App Control on Windows 11 can now be turned off or on. Previously, you cannot able to turn off or on without reinstalling Windows. Now, you will be able to turn off or on Smart App Control without reinstalling Windows. Next one is Windows Settings now lets you manage Microsoft 365. Now, you can upgrade your Microsoft 365 subscription from Settings/Accounts here. If you go to Settings, then click on Account, here you can upgrade Microsoft 365 subscription here itself. Previously, Windows Settings has redirected you to Microsoft website. Next one is Windows Settings now have modern dialogues. As Windows Latest recently reported, Microsoft really wants to make Windows 11 look and feel more appealing, and one way to do that is reducing legacy pop-ups. Until now, if you tried changing local account settings under Settings/Accounts/Other Users, you would have noticed the old legacy design language, not Windows 11's UI. Windows 11 KB5083769 finally updates the legacy dialogues in Settings to match Windows 11's look and support dark mode. I haven't received this yet, but Microsoft says the update improves the design of the dialog boxes on this page to match the modern Windows 11 look and support dark mode. Next one is Device Info Card in Homepage. If you go to Homepage, you will be able to see here one device info card, but I haven't received yet here. In this, which you will see on this page, is on a controlled rollout. It displays your device information, which Microsoft says simplifies key device specification and improves consistency to the end-to-end flow from the home card to the Settings System About page. Next one is Monitors High Refresh Rate. Monitors can now report refresh rate higher than 1000 Hz, which is a nice move in the right direction. Now, let's talk about some improvements for this update. This security update contains fixes and quality improvements from KB5083769 released March 10, 2026, KB5083769 released March 21, 2026, KB5079391 released March 26, 2026, no longer offered, and KB5083669 released March 31, 2026. New improvement in Secure Boot. The status of Secure Boot certificate updates on your device may be displayed in the Windows Security app, Settings/Privacy/Security/Windows Security. These enhancements are disabled by default on commercial devices. With this update, Windows quality updates include additional high-confidence device targeting data, increasing coverage of devices eligible to automatically receive new Secure Boot certificates. Devices receive the new certificates only after demonstrating sufficient successful update signals, maintaining a controlled and phased rollout.
This update addresses an issue where the device might enter BitLocker recovery after the Secure Boot updates. Improvement in networking. This update improves reliability when Windows uses SMB compression over QUIC. After you install this update, SMB compression requests over QUIC complete more consistently, reducing the likelihood of timeouts and supporting smoother, more dependable performance. Improvement in remote desktop. This update protects against phishing attacks that use remote desktop or .rdp files. When you open a .rdp file, Remote Desktop shows all requested connection settings before it connects, with each setting turned off by default. A one-time security warning also appears the first time you open a .rdp file on a device. Finally, in this one known issue that is fixed.
This update addresses an issue that might cause device reset to fail when using the Keep My Files or Remove Everything options. This might occur after installing the March 2026 Hotpatch security update. If you go to Settings, System, Recovery, then Reset this PC, here, if you select Keep My Files or Remove Everything options, there was an issue that might cause device reset to fail after installing March 2026 Hotpatch security update. That issue resolved with this update. This out-of-band update is offered through Windows Update for devices running Windows 11 that have already installed latest update. It is also available for manual download from the Microsoft Update catalog. Go to this website if you want to check that out. And of course, here search for the build code KB5083769, then click on Search, and you're going to find these updates that Microsoft has released. Of course, make sure you get the versions for you, which is the 64 version with build 262000 for 25H2 and 26100.8246 for 24H2. You also have the ARM64 versions if you want to install them if you have, of course, a supported ARM64 PC. So, this all about latest emergency update for Windows 11 25H2. That's all, guys. If this video helpful, hit like and share and subscribe for more.